Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Today we are not going to be doing a cooking video, but we are going to be opening my silver plaque for 100,000 subscribers, which I have been waiting for. It's quite a milestone that I've reached, and I thought that it would be awesome to share this with you because you guys have been the biggest contributions for me to reach this milestone. So while I am opening this, I also want to update you that you can see here that we have a new setup, and the new setup is going to be our new kitchen. I did move from the old home, and so we sold the home, we bought this new home, so this is going to be my new setup here. So we're going to have videos posted every Friday, and then Wednesdays I might just post some surprise videos. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And so I'm sure this is really easy to get into, but all right, here we go. I'm really nervous. I'm shaking right now because I haven't seen it, and I wasn't going to do a video until I got an email from YouTube saying that, you know what, please do a video when you unbox it. And I said, fine, I'll do the so I'm even not going to look at it first because I want you guys to look at it with me together, because like I said, you guys have been my biggest contribution. So it just says that I hit the milestone for 100,000 subscribers, and says congratulations, and here it is. It's something that I have been waiting for a very long time. So this is the silver plaque. This is what it looks like. So this is the plaque here, and I'm super excited. And I do want to thank some people, but first I would like to thank God, because without God I wouldn't be where I am today. I would also like to thank YouTube, because of YouTube giving us the opportunity for creators to create content and share what we can. This is possible. So thank you, YouTube, for doing this for us. I would also like to thank my husband, because if he wouldn't have pushed me to get this started, I would have never started my YouTube channel. I would also like to thank my kids, my 3 kids, Sakina, Sumaya, Hassan, and now Mariam's my daughter-in-law. My son got married, so she's going to be doing videos as well, and I'm super excited that she's going to be videotaping us. And this video, by the way, is recorded by Sakina. And so I just wanted to thank my kids, because it takes a lot of commitment on their end to take time off from school and whatever they're doing to spare their time to do the videos for me, and I really appreciate it. I also want to thank everyone that has contributed as far as recipes are concerned, because I love getting recipes from everybody, because we all learn from each other. So for everybody that has contributed and have asked for recipes, I really want to thank you, because obviously I didn't know how to make them, that's why I asked. So thank you to them. Also want to thank my mom, my mother-in-law, my family, everybody, my brothers, my sisters, everybody that, you need that support at times, and they've always been there for me. So thank you so very much. And then I would like to thank each and every one of you who have either subscribed, liked, shared, or even just viewed my videos. And I would also like to thank those who have, given me the bad comments out there. That's okay. I appreciate all the comments, but I seriously wouldn't have been here today without you all, and I really appreciate it. So watch out for new videos coming every Friday, surprise videos coming every Wednesday, and this Thanksgiving we're going to be doing a turkey video in the air fryer, so watch out for that one as well. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. See you then, friends. So thank you so much for joining me, and God.